Christmas is here, and tonight we've come to St Ives.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can.
Why are these lights not on, Kate?
I don't know. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Behind me is the Harbour Fish and Chip shop, which unfortunately had a fire recently, hence the fence that's up around. There's pretty much no roof left on it. You would have seen it in the news. Very devastating. Hope nobody got hurt, and hopefully we can get your business back up and running as soon as possible.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, the leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here.
The empty streets of St Ives. It's literally like 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and there's pretty much nobody around. So this is actually my second attempt to film this. I actually came here a few nights ago and it was hammering it down so much I called it all off.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree.
I swear all of these lights are supposed to be on, okay?
Such pleasure do you bring me.
Right, it started raining, so we're going to head back to the car. So that was a quick video of St Ives at Christmas. I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Merry Christmas to everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.